Hello, welcome to Top 10 Engage, folks. Today is 25th January, Wednesday. Let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market looks like. We have 2 more days to go for the Friday option expiry. All right. So today, see what market did today. So the pre-market gap down and opened up, and then which was 200-day moving average right here. We poked through the 200-day moving average, and then market found the buyer, and we took it back to the previous day high today, right there at the 400 level right here. So we had a lot of bullishness sentiment today. Market had it. We took it all the way up right here at 400. So what does it mean? Well, that means we market last constant 3 days, folks. We market close above 200-day moving average. So market is accepting the price of 200-day moving average right here above. So more the price stays above the 200-day, the better it would be for all the bulls, because that price is getting accepted right here. Now another barrier we have is the resistance right here. But if you are a bullish, that's the resistance right here. Once we break that resistance and market close above and spend some time here, that could be the bullish sentiment, folks. So based off of these, folks, right now, look at sloping support right here is intact. The 200-day moving average is spending last constant 3 days. That is also bullish scenario. Only thing is resistance here. So we are spending right now time in this wedge pennant. You can see right here, this pennant. That's where the time is spending right now here. We are in a situation where once we break this sloping support resistance, folks, then we could go higher and go to 410. That's what market looks like to do that. You follow? That's what is telling me that want to do that. And we have an ascending triangle wedge is building up here. But process of doing this thing is about maybe, I would say, a couple of weeks, folks. Okay, the process is right here. It could break anytime, or it could pull back and compress here and then break. Okay, but it's look like trying to attempt right here, because lower the point is diagonally going lower, so the number is getting smaller here, right? 400 right here. So it could break upward some point of time, looks like to me right here. All right, so that's the reason these cycles are smaller cycle, folks, than previously, because market is already look like they are saying, hey, we are bought and oversold territory. Small cycles are why, because market is also waiting for the earnings, right? A lot of earnings are coming in, so maybe compression out here, folks. So that's the long-term scenario. Now let's look at the little short-term, see what the market look like to me. So if I look at the 15-minute charts, folks, right here, short-term, what market look like right now. So if you see here, resistance building up here market. So once the market breaks this area, we could go higher and test the 402 right here. This is the major resistance. But at this point, the price of control area is like slowly smart money is like a little bit down, but still holding at that price is getting hold. The 400 magnet, S&P 500 400 has a magnet right there. Once the magnet leaves this resistance, breaks the upward, then we could go try the resistance, and the majors, this resistance coming all the way from 2022, folks. Okay, this is the major one right here. So we are very close to that resistance. So this is 3 days resistance. If you break this, we could go and try that one, but this need to break to be more bullish. Okay, that's the bull scenario. If you're looking at the bull Thursday or Friday, and those who are bear, this is your resistance. Once we get a rejection right here, and if we get the rejection, these are smart money sitting right here. Once we leave the station, the train leaves the station 400, the next target is right here at 395, and that's what market could go right here. Okay, so if you look at the 4-hour chart, and which I mentioned yesterday, folks, also the diversion is there, folks. Okay, right here. But if you look at the today, MACD has trying to touching the, yesterday it was bullish MACD, now the MACD is touching the signal lines, and it's a diversion on a 4 hours. So there is a little weakness shows up, folks. But again, this is all market is agenda driven on Thursday, Friday option expiry, and see what the game will be played. Most likely right now is a bullish cycle coming in, so we need to apply that bullish cycle right now and see what they would create, folks. Okay, so I just lay out right now the bull scenario and bear scenario. That's what marketing. So all the bulls are lining up right now right here. So if they want to pull back on before Friday, They could do that, folks. So let me explain you. So what I something notice. Let me see real quick. I'm gonna bring it to you, so don't want to waste your time. I noticed something, so let me show it to you. So right here, option activity I noticed, which would be Amazon. So today, let me see right here, anything above 500, $500,000 and above. I don't want to see small order. So I see some unusual option activity on a puts on Amazon. 36 million put been purchased, 19 million put been purchased, right? So just keep those things in mind. I notice. Plus I notice here more about put flow right here, $184 million. Amazon put 24 million. So Amazon put was 184 million purchased today, and Amazon call was 14 million. So ratio is way high on Amazon. So the same thing on Google, 24 million puts been purchased Google, and over here Google call is 4 million. So ratio is kind of higher, folks. Okay, and then Apple is 30 million call purchased today, and Apple puts was 10 million. So calls were higher on Apple, right? So just keep those things on a ratio, how many calls and put has been purchased. These are the big dark pool data, folks. These are unusual option activity. Somebody knows something, and that's what they do. So I would keep this thing in mind. They are in the money, folks. Okay, they are in the money when they buy the put. So what does it mean? They have a high delta. Okay, they got a high delta, means they can speed is faster to make the money. All right, so keep this thing in mind, folks. Not much right now. So let's see tomorrow whatever market brings, folks. Tomorrow Thursday, and see what it brings. Bull scenario, bear scenario I'm watching right now. Nothing much. So let's go. See you tomorrow morning, 9:30, folks. Every day we are live, 9:30 morning to 4 p.m. All right, on YouTube. Top Trading Edge, folks. Top Trading Edge. You can type it in. Join the community free. All right. See you tomorrow. Thank you.